What do you think of when you think of an adjustable base?
Whoa! Whoa, God! Whoa!
Well, I hope it's not that. Today, I'm going to be going over a very popular adjustable base from Nectar, the Nectar Premier Adjustable Base. I'm going to go over everything you need to know to help you figure out if it's a right fit for you or your partner who snores. As always, check the YouTube description down below for any deals and discounts. All right, let's get started. First up, setting up a new base isn't always the most fun part, but let me walk you through what to expect with the Nectar. Assembling the Nectar Adjustable Base is pretty straightforward, and no tools are required since every base comes with easy to follow instructions. It took about 2 of us 8.5 minutes to put it together. I will say it is mostly metal, so it's heavy with a queen weighing around 150 pounds. So definitely grab a friend to help you out. You'll clear out your space, unfold the frame, attach the legs, slide in the motors, pop in the mattress retainer bar so your mattress won't slip, and then plug it in. Now let's talk about the design of the base. The Nectar Adjustable Base is made of steel wrapped in an upholstered gray fabric, giving it a clean, simple look that blends into most bedrooms. It comes with 8-inch and 3-inch steel legs, plus 2-inch extenders so you can pick the height that works best for your space. It's available in Twin XL, full, queen, and a split king and a queen that can support up to 850 pounds, so it's very sturdy. The entire base is compatible with most bed frames, and a headboard can potentially be attached to the bed frame that encases the adjustable base. However, people need to measure their new or existing bed frame to make sure that it can still fit into them. Let's get into how the base actually performs. In my experience testing it, the Nectar was fairly quiet when raising and lowering the head and foot of the bed. You just hold down the arrows until you hit your perfect position, and it stops the second you let go. It also comes with 1 customizable preset, so once you find that sweet spot, you can save it and get right back to it with the push of a button. So whether you're sitting up to read or laying back to sleep, it adapts to you. So how do you control this big base? Well, every base comes with 1 remote with batteries included, and it arrives already synced and ready to go. There are a lot of buttons, but don't let that scare you. They're pretty self-explanatory. If you do tend to lose your remote, the good news is that you can also control everything through an easy-to-use app. The 3rd row gives you preset positions like TV watching, reading, and flat. There's an anti-snore setting that slightly raises your head to help keep your breathing clear, and a 0 gravity setting that raises both your head and feet to help you feel weightless. Y'all, that one gave me the most lower back pressure. Oh, guys, and there's also massage features, which I'll talk about next. Okay, y'all, now let's get into the fun extras. Like I just said, there is a massage feature with 3 modes and 3 intensities to play with. Heads up, the massage is a little noisy and rumbly, so if you're a light sleeper, you may not want it running as you drift off to sleep. There's also a timer button, so it shuts off after 10, 20, or 30 minutes. The remote doubles as a mini flashlight for those midnight nightstand searches, and the base includes 4 USB ports to charge your phone, tablet, or whatever else needs some juice. Now let's get into pricing and Nectar's policies. Well, the Nectar Adjustable Base costs around $750 for a queen and comes with a 60-night sleep trial, 2-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. But you can get it even cheaper if you check the YouTube description below for any deals and discounts. So, who is this base ideal for? Well, the Nectar Adjustable Base is great for people who love sitting up in bed to read or watch TV, anyone who wants extra features like anti-snore, 0 gravity, or massage, and folks who want the convenience of app control and built-in charging. Now, here's who it may not be best for. It may not be best for those balling on a budget, anyone who wants a fully headboard compatible frame, and very lightweight sleepers who might be bothered by the massage motors. Well guys, that's all I've got for today on the Nectar Premier Adjustable Base. If I helped you find your perfect base, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye.